Okay, YouTubers, today this is the PTO output shaft on this 52 Ford 8N tractor. I'm going to take it out. First thing we do is take this dust cap off. And there is there's the PTO there. Like some old grease or something on there. And then there's 4 bolts on this flange. You don't take out these bolts here, or these 2 down here that hold these chain sways on, but the 4 bolts for this cover. I've taken 3 out. I got the 4th one loose here, so I'll back it out of there. They all appear to be the same size, so same length. Well, that was easy enough. Just grabbed a hold of it and it came right loose. And there it is. One of the things I wanted to check for was inside of here, how much gunk and goop. Seems to be pretty good. I'm going to change the seal and the gasket on this, because when I took the protective cap, the dust cap off, there was I don't know, maybe a pint or more of hydraulic fluid, tranny fluid, that came out. So I suspect that seal is probably old and hard. So I've got a new seal and a gasket, and I'll replace those and put it back together. Yeah.